How to use a tutor account on Vedubox Tutor. Log in with your tutor account. Click My Courses on the left-hand side menu. The first step is to add your courses. Click Add button to create a new course. Enter your course name and pick a category. You can always add more categories from Category menu. Now you can add content in your course. Click on the course name. Click Update button for switching to editor interface. Add unit subject in your course. Under your unit subjects, you can add content respectively. You can add content such as document, video, interactive video, quiz, and even SCORM. You can create content on Vedubox as well. Now that your course is ready, you can register your students. Click Students from left-hand side menu. Click Add button. Enter your students' information. They will receive their account details with an automated email. And they can always change their passwords. Select to which courses that the student you are registering is enrolled to. You can always update enrollments later. You can now hold live classrooms. Click Live from left-hand side menu. Click Add button. Pick one of your courses for scheduling a live meeting on it. Enter your live meeting header, its date, and the starting hour. Click Save. You can start your live meeting with the Start button. Students enrolled in this course can also join this meeting from their live screen.